EU junior officers, passenger and RoRo ships to embark 1392 with Italian social security, long-term stability, 55 Italian flag passenger ships and 22 RoRos. These ships, if you are on board now, for example, flag of convenience, cruise ships, general cargo ships far away from home, and you have no social security, think about your career, your stability, because we have 77 ships, Italian flag, huge, from 37,000 tons. This is the RoRos, and then the passenger ships, 67,000 tons. So it's a huge career possibility if you have experience on board passenger or RoRos, or even any other general cargo ships of 3 to 6 months previous experience, mainly engineers. We need about 200, so we're looking forward to having your applications. We know many countries do not have these bilateral agreements, or even they have many other situations that here you can have a long-term career. I know it is 3,400 for the third officers and 3,300 for the fourth engineers, that perhaps you think it is a low end of the game, but this is piano piano va lontano, how you must start talking Italian, because this is the language on board for operations. It's very important you start from on board learning Italian, full Italian crew, full Italian systems, operations, safety, technical. If you are in the engine, the maintenance, all the instructions are in Italian, so it's very important you start slow, and this is like the start of a new career for you with a huge company. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.